Welcome to the iPMart video tutorial series. Here we will show you how to use iPMart, a tool that allows for the integration of multi-omics data. iPMart was built with all of the functionality of PMart, but for multiple omics data sets at once, and for applying integration techniques. Since there is a heavy overlap with PMart, we highly recommend viewing that video series first. In the next video, we will cover how to upload data into iPMart. Next, we will cover multiple tabs of the application from grouping data to statistics. Then we will cover the integration tab in a third video, and finally the download tab in a fourth video. For your reference, the term MAP refers to Multi-Omics Analysis Portal, which is the hub that holds several web applications for processing omics data. Overall, iPMart is an application made for the processing, analysis, and integration of multiple types of omics data. It can currently support proteomics, lipidomics, metabolomics, and transcriptomics data. More details on the input data format can be found on the Goals tab of the app.